Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Good.
Have a seat, man. Perfect. Good to see you too. How's everything?
Good.
Today we'll be doing a burst fade haircut. To start off, we're going to be using JRL fade clipper, and we're going to be setting that at 0. So on the corners here, right on the side of the ear, we're going to ramp it around to the shape of the ear, and that's going to create the first guideline for the burst fade. Are you hot or are you good? You're good? It's not you.
Oh yeah.
You're good? You're not?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, perfect. This is kind of what Usher had before. He used to have like a burst fade a lot, right? Have you ever seen Usher's hair? It's like, it was always like faded around the ears and then kind of like faded out, but then he grew out the back a little bit and had a little bit of a faux hawk mullet style. But this one's going to be like a modern day custom.
That's big for a while there.
Yeah.
You look good.
Yep.
That's a very versatile haircut.
Oh yeah. So for the next step, we're going to be getting a 1 guard and we're slapping it on to the JRL machine fader, close the lever, and get into the next guideline. So the first guideline I created around the ear, I'm just going to create the new guideline. So follow that same shape that I created. So I want to just go against that grain, go against the grain, and then capture that line that I created. There's so many different fades. You could kind of create any type of haircut with a fade. Like different shapes, different... Yeah, your hair grows different in both sides. I noticed that already. Like this side grows completely different than the other side. So I have to like do different techniques and shape it up differently. But then again, the last haircut you got, there's a lot more weight on this side.
Yes.
Yeah, so I gotta bring that down. Okay. Going over the next guideline, you're going to be going like a finger up. So next step is going to be the 2 guard, closed, and we're just going to try to capture that here, the darker layer, and just go against it. Like I said again, you don't want to go all the way up, you want to pull out, go off the head. See it on this side? I know the lighting again, but it's all good. It's already looking so much better now. So the same clipper, lever open. We need to be using a 0.5. So we're going to go against the first line that we created and just follow that shape. So next step, I'll be closing the lever and going with the 0 and just going against the first line to kind of take out that first line that I created. But by doing that, you have to use the edge of the clipper and just pick at the line, including when you're dealing with curly textured hair. So next step, we're just going to be using the T-outliner. We're going to do it 0, just on the sides where the burst fade is, about half a finger lower than where the original guideline was. It's good? You can see it? So after doing that, I'm going to do a little bit of clipper over comb, just clean up the sides here. So any weight that sticks out, I'm going to take out. So last little thing I'm just going to touch up with the number 3 and just clean around the sides just to make everything very smooth.
At that point, what's it even matter?
Yeah. You guys get your booster yet? The third one? So I'll be adding the diffuser onto my blow dryer to get more texture. I kind of created the structure already for the haircut, so
Yep.
I'm just gonna grow it out. Just close your eyes. This is the front. And that's how you do a burst fade. There you go, bro. All good. All right, man. Nice seeing you.
Appreciate it.
Take care, bro.
Yeah.